Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to reset the purge counter on a Brother MFC-J4510DW. Now this is nice and simple, can be done from the printer using nothing but the touch screens and a couple of buttons. Now resetting the purge counter is what I would recommend doing when you get the ink absorber full or even the ink absorber nearly full message on your printer. Now the ink absorber is like a foam pad in the bottom of the printer that absorbs excess ink from cleaning and general printing. And you get the ink absorber full message when your printer estimates sufficient printing's been done, but that sponge is full and is in danger of spilling over into your printer. Now it's important to note that resetting the purge counter doesn't actually remove the ink in there, and removing it is a more involved process that I'm not going to show you today. But if you wanted to, you could take it to a printer technician also, but traditionally that can be quite expensive too. So what we normally recommend to customers who just want a little bit of extra life out of their machine is doing this reset, then printing for a little while with a sheet of cardboard under the printer, and just being vigilant of ink on your prints or in the surrounding area. So first of all, we need to hold down the home button, and we'll do this for just over 5 seconds. You know you've done it for long enough when the screen changes to this black screen with 4 bars. Then we hold this bottom blank bar for around 5 seconds until the screen changes again. And then we enter *2864, which puts the printer into maintenance mode, as shown up here. Now, from here we enter 80. You'll see maintenance has changed from maintenance to the time up there. So what we need to do now is go along using the double arrows down here until we get to this screen, which has some up and down arrows. Now we're going to press down until it says purge and a whole series of numbers on the top left hand side of the screen. Can take a little while. There we go, we've got purge and the internal count there. Now we need to get ourselves back to the number pad we had previously, which again is just pressing that double right arrow until it gets to here. Now we're entering 2783, so here we go, 2783. And after you get that beep and a return to maintenance, you'll know that the purge counter has been reset. And to get ourselves out of maintenance, all we do is enter 99. And your printer will reset and bring you back to normal printing again. Now I hope this has been useful for you and has helped extend the life of your printer. If it has, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please let me know down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.